at Jones Beach right now, taking a walk. I'm with my husband, Brian. Brian, say hi.
Hey, hi.
And I'm taking a walk to see what's going on with this 50K that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing the first leg of 8 legs, and I'm on Jones Beach right now. I just have to say that I'm so grateful to my husband for taking this walk with me, because you know that I would get lost.
You have to turn left and then make an immediate second left onto the path on the west side of the east path now.
So I turn left over here.
And immediately turn left.
I turn left.
Turn left.
Excuse me. And we turn left again.
Turn left again.
So we just walked the course, and now we're at Gatsby, and the sun is setting, and you can see it behind me. It's gorgeous. We're at the race start now at Jones Beach, and we're going to be starting soon. So I'm back from my first leg. A lot of people were looking at this thing saying, "Oy, oy, oy, that's some hat you got there." Anyway, that was really fun, and now I am going to take a shower and go home and then meet the next group for this 50K ocean to sound relay. It's very fun, awesome experience.
I'm feeling a little nervous. Nervous energy is good before a race, though, right?
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. And tell me, Sharon, what are you feeling? You've been volunteering all day.
I'm happy. I'm having a good time.
About how it was on the course and what you thought of it and all that.
I thought it was a great course. Of course, it just the first mile was uphill. Very gradual, but it was continuous, and then after that, those downhills were beautiful, especially when they were in the shade. I was singing. But the support was great. I had an escort, VIP escort by the auxiliary police and the race directors. But overall, I had a great day. If it was 70 degrees, I might have been a little more happier, but it's okay. Maybe I lost a pound. That's what I'm hoping. Love you, Jeff Galloway, for your program and all the support that you share with us, and I look forward to meeting you again. Adios.
For Team Galloway Long Island, Laura, tell us about the whole experience, and would you do it again? Would you do things different?
I would definitely do it again if I'm still around at 74 to celebrate my 74th birthday. This was my first team competition ever. So I have to say it was a delight for me. I loved everybody that ran. I hope that people will want to do it again next year. Of course, we want to try to figure out what we could do differently. But the first run out, I think we did an awesome job. So go Team Galloway.
And talk a little bit about how it felt to volunteer as opposed to run, Colleen.
I'm very glad I volunteered instead of running. It was very stressful.
It was stressful.
It was stressful trying to get places.
Yeah. And so let me ask you guys something. So the camera's back.
Yes. Yes.
So what is this scarecrow here? Can you explain to us what this is?
This is our spirit support scarecrow. Trying to motivate a girl out there. She's out alone, and she's not alone, because we're right here with her our sketchbook and our spirit.